Product component.
Yes, hello everyone, welcome today. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the product components. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the product components, okay? Okay. So members, this is a very crucial concept we are going to cover today, and today we are going to majorly emphasize the usability of cars, okay? Okay, this concept here you are seeing here, the product component, you can use it on all. This is a neutral concept. This is a neutral concept. Okay? This is a neutral concept. As long as you know how to use it on a particular function, you can also use it on other things. Okay? Okay. So today our major emphasis is going to be using it on cars. Okay? We're going to use it on cars. So members, you can use this very concept on other items. For example, fridges, televisions, or the concept you're going to learn today, you can use it on all e-commerce websites. Okay? Okay. So members, for you to qualify for this lesson here, we're going to use a lot of props. We're going to use a lot of props, and you're going to use a lot of types. You're going to use a lot of types, and you're going to use a lot of conditional rendering. You're going to use a lot of conditional rendering. You're going to use a lot of conditional rendering. So members, these are the things you're going to use in today's class. Okay? Okay, so building this component here, it requires you to have prior knowledge about this, okay? These things here. So members, we are continuing from where we are from the classes that we have been covering, okay? Okay, so let me show you here. When you go here, for example, on YouTube here, when you go on YouTube, you go on YouTube here. When you go on YouTube here, I want to show you. So when you go on YouTube here, then you search for example, my name here, Clancy search sample. As you can see, I'm here. Just type there Clancy search sample. Okay? Just type there Clancy search sample. As you can see, it's like that. Then you say enter. So when you say enter, they're going to take you to my channel here. They're going to take you to my channel. My channel is here. So members, as you can see, the concept we are going to use today is requires you to have prior knowledge of all of this, okay? Requires you to have prior knowledge from day 60 here. From day 60, as you can see here, day 60, SAS, TypeScript, Tailwind, this is day 61, requires you to have all that knowledge. Day 62, day 63, day 64, day 65, okay? Day 66, day 67, day 68, and day 69. So members, all that knowledge it requires you to be with it before we can dive into this lesson, okay? Okay, so this is just a simple check. And all these principles here, we're going to use them when we are building a product component. If you're already good with this, it's good on your side. But if you don't know this at all, this one here, if you don't know this from day 60 onwards up, please, I would urge you to first go back and you watch this video, okay? These videos here, okay? Okay, they're going to teach you, they're going to train you all these concepts from the very beginning, okay? Okay, so members, I think we can start, okay? I think we can start, okay? Okay, so here, as you can see, my file here is empty, okay? You can see here, my file is empty. My file here is empty, okay? This is something I want to show you. I have just installed my TypeScript project, as you can see it here, TypeScript and Tailwind, okay? Okay, my terminal is blank, as you can see it here. The only thing I have is images in the public folder. You can see, for example, BMW. Let me show you. .jpg. They are coming. They are coming. I have this. You can see. This is Bugatti. This is BMW. It's there. You can see here. This is Ferrari. You see the Ferrari is there. You can see the hammer.jpg. It's there. So I have here the limousine.jpg. It is there. Okay. I have here Mercedes-Benz.jpg. It is there. I have here Toyota.jpg. It is there. I have here Spacio. Okay, it's there. And also have an image in case there is no any car. In case there is no any car. Okay, this one is no car available. I call this one as no car available.png. Is also there. Okay, so these images here I've got a name from the internet. You can also get the images there. They are there. Okay, okay, and I put them in the public folder. So here, members, as you can see, we are now coming. This concept here, I'm going to show you. You can use it anywhere. Whether you're building an e-commerce website with fridges, with televisions, with percolators, with all sorts of products. Okay, you can use this very concept on that project. Okay, and it will help you. Okay. Okay, so here, members, as you can see, this is my page, my first starting page. Okay. Okay, so I put here RFC, as you can see, RFC, it's loading, it's coming, it's there. So here, members, we are going to use a lot of concepts that we have been using, okay? Okay, so I would urge you to stay tight, we are going to move, okay? Okay, so you can have here, for example, my product container. No, before even I can put the product container, let me come, I put it here. Let me come, I open here props, I open here components, I say here components, okay? Components, as you see there, they are there. And I come here, I put here, for example, like I come here, I put here product container, just like this, .tsx, okay? Product container.tsx. So I could come here, I can come here and I put here, this is product container.tsx, and I put here RFC, and I put here RFC. Then I put here RFC. Okay, so my product container is here. So at the moment that I want to see, I want to see what I'm doing. So I come here, I put here, for example, I put here npm run dev, and I say enter. So it's coming, it's coming. So let's wait for it. It's coming. It's loading in the server. Okay, it's here. So I get all this link, as you can see it. I paste it inside the server here, inside the browser. So I bring it here. I'm going to show you. So I come, I paste it inside the server here. So as you can see, it's there. So it's coming. So here, members, this is a very, 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 very crucial concept that you're going to use. And it requires someone to have prior knowledge about what we have been covering in these past days. Okay? Okay. So it's coming, as you can see. I think it's there. Okay? Okay. So right now, I can even come here and I put, for example, let me come here now, the product container. And I put, for example, class name, and I put here, for example, width full, and I put here height I can put here maybe screen, and I put here background color, I can maybe put like orange red, maybe orange 600, okay, 600, just like this. So it looks like this. So here you can see it's compiling very well, and it's going to give me the color. Okay. So I'm wondering, oh yes, I understand the reason. It is here in the page. I didn't call that product container. So I can come here on the overall page. I even put here class name, and I put here width full, height I can put here maybe screen, okay. screen. So it looks like this, okay? Okay, so I call that container. I call it here. I say here product container. As you can see, it's like this, and I close it very well, okay? Okay, so it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's compiling here. As you can see, it's there, okay? It is here, okay? Okay, so this is very good on my side. It has come. So members, now we are going to making the product, okay? We are going to go to making the product, okay? Okay, so as you can see, this is the product container, and this is the container I'm going to apply on my grid principles. So the grid principle, you know very well that the grid principle is that enables us to make the cards when they are auto-responsive, okay? Okay, so I can come here on my components here, and I put here, for example, before I can do that, let me come here and I make the card, okay? Okay, so let me put here, for example, div. So I come here, I put here, for example, class name, and I put here width, I can put here maybe width like maybe like quarter, and I put here height I can put here like maybe like 70 vh, 70 vh. 70 vh. Let me put a background color of about like green, BG green, okay? Background color green, okay? Yeah, it is like 600, okay? Okay, so at the moment you can see it's coming, it's loading, it's loading. So it's there, okay? It is here. So members, you can see it's like this, okay? Okay. So at the moment, you can see the card is good like that. So what are we going to do now? What I'm going to do is that we're going to come and put here, for example, now we're going to put a container for the image, okay? A container for the image. I put here, for example, div, and I put here, for example, here class name, and I put here width full, and I put here height I can put maybe like let me say like 30 vh or 40 vh, okay? 40 vh. And I put here background color maybe like amber 700, okay? Okay, so I want to see how it looks like. It's coming. Okay, it's there. So members, you can see my card has a very good place for the image, okay? Okay, so this is where the image is going to fall. So maybe 40 VH is big. Let me put here like 30. Maybe can 30 work for me? 30 VH. Let me see 30 VH. It's there. Okay? Okay. But is this one good? Is this one good? Let me put like 40. Let me put like 40 for the start, okay? Okay. So my image is going to go here. I'm going to put here an image. For example, let me put here like a let me put here like image comp. Let me use here the image component is here. Image component is here. And I put here src source directory is equal to now I'm going to get any image which is here in the public folder, okay? Any image which is here in the public folder. Maybe let me get like the spacio for the start, okay? The spacio, okay? Okay. So spacio.jpg. So I put here spacio 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 dot jpeg, okay? Okay, and I put here, I don't know whether I imported I haven't yet imported that one. So I bring this one, the image comes from next image, okay? Comes from next image. Okay, then I have here, for example, the alt tag, and I put here maybe spacio, okay? Okay, then I put here, for example, it has the width property and the height property, okay? It has the width property and height property. The height can be the width can be like, let me say like 600, okay? And the height is maybe like 500, okay? Okay, so it's like this. So I want to say how it fits into that container. It's coming. So that's how it fits in inside this container here. That's what I want to see. Hey, I need to put here slash slash. If you forget slash, it won't work, okay? If you forget slash, it won't work. Slash spatio dot jpg, like this, jpeg, okay? Okay, so it's coming. It's coming. Just forgetting only one letter like this can hurt you. It can hurt everything, okay? Okay, so it's coming. So image source spatio, it's coming. I don't know why it's doing like this. It's coming, okay? Okay, so it's there, okay? It is there, okay? Okay, so members, you can see it's like that. Then I can come, I put here, for example, maybe I put in the center. I put it in the center. I can come, I put here BG, maybe flex. Then I put here item center. Then I put here justify content center. Justify content center, just like this. So I want to see it in the center. Okay, it is there and it is in the center. Are you seeing this, members? Okay, this is very good. This is very good. Maybe I can just apply some bit of padding. Maybe padding of like 2. Okay, and I see. Okay, so members, you can see it's here and it is in the center and everything is good on my side. Okay, so right now I'm going to put now this image container here. I'm done with it. So I'm coming here. I'm going to put now the title container. Okay, so I have here, for example, it's here, and I put here class name, and I put here, for example, width full. Then I put here height of like 10 vh. Then I put here height of like 10 vh. Okay. Then I put here maybe background color of maybe like blue. Okay. Background color of maybe like blue. Okay. So right now you can see it like this. And I put here spatio as the title. Okay. Spatio as the name of the car. Okay. Spatio as the name of the car. Okay. So it's coming very well. Let me wait for it and I see. It's coming. Spatio is like that. Okay. So maybe 10 VH is big. Let me put like 7 VH. I see. But I need to put like some bit of centering. I put here like PG, like flex. Then I put here like flex and I put here like items center. Okay. Then I put here justify content, justify center. Okay. So I want to see how it looks like. So the title is coming, okay, and it's going to be here. Okay. So members, I want you to watch what I'm going to do. Okay, the title is here. Okay. But I need to put some bit of bold. Okay, font bold. Okay. So to make it a little bit bold, the title to make it a little bit bold. So it's coming, okay? Spatio, okay. So let me increase it a little bit. I put here text, and I put here Excel, okay? Text Excel, okay? Extra large. So I want to say it looks coming, okay? Spatio is there, okay. So right now I am left with the container 4. I'm left with the container 4. I have another container which is coming for the description, okay? Another container which is for the description. I put here class name, then I put here width full, then I put here height, and I put here height is like 13 vh, okay? Height is like 13 vh, okay. And I put here background color maybe let me put like red, okay? Let me put like red 500, okay, just like this. So members, I want you to watch what I'm doing exactly, okay? Watch exactly what I'm doing. So it's going to be like this, okay. So let me increase this one to maybe like 15 vh, like 15 vh for description to be fitting very well. Okay, it's like that, okay, it's like this. So as you can see, it's like this. This main one here is for the price, okay. Okay. So right now you can see it's like this. And I put here, for example, my description, I can put here like Lauren. Okay? Like Lauren. Okay? Okay. So this is going to be my description. It's going to be like this. So I understand very well that it's overlapping. So let me put here text, and then let me put here text is maybe like small, okay? Small what text MD. So members, it looks like that, okay? Okay. So members, it's like that. I put here some bit of padding, maybe padding of like 2 rem of 2, and I say it looks okay. So members, what I can do, I can come and increase here a little bit. I can put here let me say like 17 VH, okay? 17 VH. Okay, it's like that. So let me put like 18 VH, I see 18 VH, okay? 18 VH and I see. Okay, it looks like that, okay? Okay, it's good. So what I'm going to do a little bit, let me just come, I reduce the height of this one. The container, the height of this one. I can maybe put like 38, like 38 VH, okay? Okay, it's like that, okay? Okay. So the title is here, the description is here, then the price is here, okay? We're going to put now the price. So I'm going to come here, I now put the price container very well. So I can come here, I put here, for example, div, okay, div, then I put now the price container, I put here class name, okay, class name, I put here, for example, width, full, okay, then I come, I put here height, and I put here like height is what height can I put? I can put like maybe 10 VH, okay? I can put like maybe like 10 or 5 VH. Let me first put 5 VH, I see, okay? And I come, I put here like BG like let me say like pink, okay? Pink, this pink here. So I want to see exactly where I lie, okay? Exactly where I fall. So it's coming, it's coming. It's here, okay? Okay. So it falls there. And I put here like let me say like 7 VH, okay? And I see it's coming, okay, it's there. So and right now here I can put here the price, okay? And I put here, for example, price, okay? Price it goes for US dollars, US dollars, and I can come I put here like this dollar sign here, and I can come I put here like the price is like this. It goes like for 5,000 US dollars, okay? Okay. So I want to see how the price looks like it's there, okay? Okay. So let me center this price. Let me center this price, okay? Okay. So I come here, I put here like flex, and I put here item center, and I put here justify center, okay? Okay. So it's coming in the center, it's like that, okay? Okay. So members, I have successfully completed my card, okay? I have successfully completed my card, okay? Okay. Successfully it's done. But one other thing I've not yet done is this image here can overlap, okay? This image can overlap. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come on that image and I give it some bit of class, okay? Okay. So I can come and I put here, like, for example, class name, okay? And I put here like max width, max width, max width. Let me say here full, okay? Max width is full, okay? Okay. That image can overlap, okay? That image can overlap, okay? Okay, so max width is full, okay? Okay, just like that. So the height, I know it will auto size itself, okay? Okay. So right now let me now make a grid. Let me now make a grid. Let me now make a grid, okay? Okay. So I can come here, I now put a grid. I can come, I put, for example, like let me put like grid of let me put like grid of let me put grid of about like let me put grid of let me come here, I put here grid, okay? Grid, and I put here grid template columns, grid, like got grid calls like 3, okay? Like grid calls like 3, okay? Okay. So I want to say it looks like, okay, it's coming, it's coming. So it's like that. But right now I want to see exactly what is happening. So here I cannot be able to detect that unless I do something like this. Now, members, there's something I want to show you. get all of this, okay? And you take and you create now the product component, okay? We are now going to create the product component, okay? We are now going to create the product component. I put here Control X, okay? So I come here on components here and I create here product, okay? I create here product.tsx, okay? .tsx, okay? Okay, it's there. So I come here, I put here rfc, okay? RFC, as you can see, it's like that. So RFC, and I put here the product component, okay? Inside there is the product component is there. So I put here, for example, the image here. As you can see, the image is here. The image comes from next image, okay? Comes from next image, okay? The image comes from next image. So everything, I hope everything is good. And I bring it back here. I put here the product, okay? The product, just a single product, okay? Okay. So members, it looks like this, okay? It looks like this. I bring it, I bring it from the product container, okay? Okay, it looks good. As you can see, it's like that. So it's coming very well. As you can see, it's coming. It's there. Okay, it is here. But right now, the only thing that is affecting me is grid. Okay, it is grid. And the other thing I specified here on the product component here, I gave it a width of a quarter. Okay, okay. So I'm supposed to give it width full. Okay, so I'm supposed to give it width full. So it's coming very well, as you can see. It's not even responsive. So if I give it width full, this is how it appears. Okay, but let me give it like width full. Let me give you a height. Let me give you a height. Height of. Let me give you a height of. Let me give you a height of full. Okay. Height of full. Okay. Okay. So it does not. So it does not overlap the main container inside. Okay. Okay. So here it is overlapping. Okay. It's very good. So the car is here. The title is here. The description is here, and the price is there. Okay. Okay, so even if right now I come and I create here, for example, two cars, okay? Even if I come, I create here two cars. I put here like, let me say like 3 or 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, answer the all look. Okay, they are like that, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Okay, they look like that. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to come here, I create here, put some bit of gap. Put some bit of gap on the product component. I put here gap of maybe like 2, okay? Gap of 2, okay? Maybe gap of 3 can work because, or even 4, okay? Gap of 3 or 4 can work, okay? It's like that. And I put here some bit of padding, put here padding of 4, okay? Padding of 4, okay? Okay, so they look like that, okay? But maybe padding of 6 can work for me. Maybe padding of 4, padding of 4 can work. Okay, padding of 6, okay? Padding of 6 to put some breathing space, okay? Okay, okay, it's like that, okay? Okay, it looks good like that, okay? Okay. So right now let me come here. I know what is happening. I know what is happening wrong is from page here. There is something happening wrong. I can come, I put here mean height screen, okay? Mean height screen. I also come here on even here on the product content, I put here mean height screen, okay? Okay. For it to extend this side, okay? Okay, it looks very good as you can see there. So members, we are one step complete, okay? From what we are doing, okay? We are one step complete from what we are doing, okay? Okay. So members, it looks like this. So what I'm going to do now, I can come here. Right now you can see my product is there. So the next step is to put here the data, okay? Is to put the data. So as you can see that we have data of image, okay? We have data of image. We have data of the title, okay? Data of the title. We have data of this one here, the description, and we have data of the price, okay? Okay, we have 4 types of data, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here, for example, here class name, class name. So what I'm going to do is going to be like this. I'm going to come here, outside here. I'm going to come outside here and I create here data.tsx. Data.ts, okay? Okay, data.ts, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here export cost, okay? Export cost maybe cut data, okay? Export cost cut data, okay? Okay. So since there are going to be very many cars, I could do this if it was one car. If it was one car, it's going to be like this. Car data is going to be like this. And I put here an object, okay? One single object, okay? Okay. And I put here, for example, like image, okay? And I put here, for example, image, and I put inside the image, okay? I can come, I put here the image. So members, I can do this if it's going to be one set of data, okay? Okay, but right now we are going to have very many sets of data. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put it in an array. So I can put here cars data, okay? And I put it in an array. I put this one in an array like this, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come, I put here various objects, okay, for my data. So I can come, I put here, for example, it's like this. So it looks like that. And I come here, I put here, for example, like now the title, okay? For example, like title. Title is going to be my data there, okay? Okay. So the title is going to but they won't start with one thing. They won't start with the image. They won't start with the image first, okay? Because it's the image first. Image is the image first. So it looks like this, okay? Okay. So the image is going to be there. Then you're going to have here, you're going to have here, you're going to have here, then you're going to have here title. Then you're going to have here a title. The title is going to be like this. Then you're going to have here the description. The description. Okay? The description is also going to be like this. Okay? Okay, it's going to be there. So I'm preparing everything and I put here now the price. Okay? The price. The price is also going to be there. Okay? Okay, just like this. So members, it looks like this. Okay? Okay. So right now I'm also going to come, I grab all this price as you see it here. Okay? I grab all this price as you see it here. For example, here on the product.tsx, I can grab all this as you see. I'm just going to grab only this, okay? Okay. Grab only this. I Control X, okay? And I leave here when it's those curly brackets, okay? Okay. So I come, I put it here. I come, I put it inside there, okay? It's partial.jpt. So I'm going to come here. Inside here, I'll call it like data. I'll call it data. So I remove the name here spatial, okay? And I put inside there. Inside here is going to come everything that I am going to put here, the dynamic data, okay? It's going to come the dynamic data. So I'm going to come here, I put here something like this, okay? Spatial, okay? Okay. And I put here, for example, description. Description. The description is also here. So it's here. So I put here, I leave it open there, and I put here the description. As you can see, it's there. It's there. Description is there. So it looks like that, okay? Okay, the description is there. So I come now, I put the price. I come now and I put the price. I also remove the price, okay? Okay. As you can see, it's like that. The price is there. So each and every place that I leave these curly brackets here, they want to put there the data, okay? Okay. So I put here the price as price is 5,000, okay? Okay. So right now you can see my object is here. My object of data is here, okay? Okay. So right now, as you can see it's here, image, title, description, price, okay? Okay. So right now, when I come back in my product container here, I'm now going to bring that data, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here, for example, title. Title, as you can see, title is here. And I put here, I open here the quotes, and I bring it here. Then I come here, I say here, product. Now here, product container is here. So I'm going to reference from this data here. There's cast data, okay? Cast data dot image, okay? Cast data dot image. So I like so much beginning with the title, but let me begin here and I say here image, okay? Image is like this. So it comes from class data dot image, okay? Class data dot image. Class data dot image. But class data dot now there is something here. There is something here that I have not done really good. Let me first come. I show you. So this product here, as you see it here, we are supposed to look through it because it's one, and you're going to have multiple. You're going to have multiple products, okay? You're going to have multiple products, okay? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and look through this product, okay? Okay. So how am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? I'm going to do this like this. I'm going to come and open here the quotes, okay? Okay. And I say here cars data, cars data, cars data, okay? Cars data dot, okay? Dot map, cars data dot map, okay? And I put here, I open the quotes there as you can see, okay? It's like that, okay? Then I put here, then I put here, then I put here, then I put here now a single car, a single car, single car, okay? A single car. Right now, single car data, single car data. We are looping through a lot of data to get, because this data is in an array, okay? Because this data is in an array. If it wasn't in none of it will just put the data exactly as it is. But right now it is in an array, okay? Okay. And then we look through it and we create these ones, okay? Okay. So members, another concept that frustrated me so much was why some people used to put the curly brackets here and why other people used to put here the curved brackets. So remember, if you happen to use the curly brackets like this, you'll have to put here return. Okay, you have to put there return. Okay, okay. But if you don't want to use the curved brackets, you can use the curly brackets here. These curved brackets. Okay, the curved brackets you don't need to put return. Okay, okay. So as you can see, it's like that. Then I come here, I say here single data, single data. No, right now as you can see, it's like that. Okay. So I bring here very well, as you can see, I've looked through it, and I bring it inside here. Okay, I bring it inside here. Then I come, I say here, single data, single card data, card data. No, I can put here image. Okay, is equal to, I open here like this, okay, and I put here single card data, okay, dot image, okay, dot image, okay, okay, very good, okay, okay. So right now I'm going to come here in my products here, as you can see, okay, and I call that image, okay, I call it. So I come here, I put here, for example, image. Okay, as you can see, it's like that. Okay, okay. But right now I have to define the types for this image. Okay, this one is a string. Okay, so I come, I put here image, and I put here is a string. Image is a string. Okay, image is a string. So and I come, I bring the image there, and I come and I bring the image there. Image is there. Okay, okay. Very well, very good, very good. And right now I think I can even see it. Okay, so when you load the page, I think now I can see it. It's coming. So this one here, the image has come, but this one has not yet come. This one has not yet come. Even this one has not yet come. Okay, okay. So right now, members, as you can see, it looks very good like this. So what are you going to do? What you're going to do is you're going to now do the same thing that we have done for these other ones too. Also this one. Okay, okay. So the title is there. So right now we're going to the title. We are going to the title. So where is the product container? It is here. Okay? Okay. So right now I'm going to come here. I put here title. But remember, since we are looping through, we need to put here a key. Okay? The key. So I'm going to put here an ID because I'm going to put there an ID because this data here, the importance of an ID is this data here, it needs to be identified by a particular key prop. Okay? Okay. So members, I need an ID, okay? I need an ID as a must because when you're looping through a lot of data, you require something for identification. It can be either slug or an ID, okay? Okay. So I can come and put this one like this, okay? An ID. Let me say this is one. So as you can see here, the product is here. The product is here. So what am I going to do? I want to come here. I put exactly as you can after the product here. I put there the key prop, okay? The key prop, okay? And I put here, I put there single card data dot id, okay? Because it identifies it with one ID, okay? Okay, so this thing can work very well, but when you reach, for example, complicated operations, for example, like CRUD, when you are deleting, editing, okay, the whole UI can become very, very messy, okay? Okay, that's why we require this key here. It's very important. It's very important, okay? Okay, so right now we are done with this one here. The key is there. So we are left, now we're going for the title, okay? We are now going for the title. So I come here, I put here, for example, title, okay? Title, and I put here, title is there, and I put here single car data, okay? Dot title, okay? Okay, then I come, I put here, single car data dot title, then I come, I put here, the next one is which one? Description, okay? Description, then I put here, the description is here, and I put here is equal to single car data dot description, okay? Okay, it's like that, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. Then I come, what other thing do I have? I have here, for example, the price, okay? The price is there. So the price is here, and I put here single car data dot price, okay? Dot price, just like this, okay? Okay, so as you can see, everything is good on my side, okay? So right now I have title, description, and price to capture. So I come here and my product here and I capture them, okay? I come here, I put here image, I put here title, okay? Then I put here description, okay? And I put here price, okay? And I put here price, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. So members, as you can see, it's like this. And right now I'm going to come, I put here title is string, and I put here description is also string, okay? Description is also string, okay? Okay, and I come, I put here price is also string, okay? Price is also string, okay? Okay, but right now, members, you can see I'm bringing it here. I come, I put here, let me say here title. It's something I want to show you, but let me first put here title, and I put here description, okay? And I come, I put here price, okay? Price, okay? Okay, so members, everything looks big good on my side. So I hope that data is back. It's coming back. Okay? Okay. So the title is coming, the description is coming, and the price is there. Okay? Everything is good on my side. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see everything is good. Okay? Everything is very, very, very good. But I don't like this format here. I don't like this format. So let me remove this. Let me first come here. I create here types, okay? I create here types.ts, okay? .ts, just like this. Then I put here export, let me say here product types, okay? Okay. Then I put here is equal to, then I put here the curly brackets, I open them like that, okay? Okay. So let me come here, I maybe paste this, okay? No. Okay, this is not good. What I want to do is I want to copy all this, okay? I want to, like that, okay? And I bring it here in types, okay? I bring it there. So it's like this, okay? It's like this, okay? So I want to bring it here like this, title is like this, string is like this, description is like this, string is like that, okay? Okay. So it's like this. So export product types, export type, okay, product types, okay, just like this. So it looks like this. Everything is good on my side, okay, everything is good, okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come and bring these product types, okay, from there. So I come inside here, I bring them there. I say here product types, okay, and I bring them from that file, which is types, okay. So members, I am almost done with this. I'm done with this, okay. Image, title, description, like this, okay. So everything is good. Okay. So everything is good on my side, okay. So members, what am I left to do? What am I left to do is only one thing, okay. And this one thing is just maybe to increase the data here, okay. So right now you can see I have here, for example, this one, okay. I have, for example, this one. As you can see, I can maybe put like 1 2, and I put like 3, okay. Then maybe I put like 4, okay. Then we see. So right now what I want to do is I want to come here. Let me put like ID 2, ID which is 2, okay. Then I put here this one is 3, this one here is 3, okay. Then I put here, this is maybe like 4, this is maybe like 4, okay. So as you can see, everything is good there on my side. So right now I'm going to just make these, I'm going to just put now new images, okay. Let me put here, for example, like bmw.jpg, okay. bmw.jpg, okay. And I put here title is bmw, okay. So then I put here now this is 3. I put here bugatti bugatti, okay, dot jpeg, okay. So the title here is bugatti, okay. So I put here, for example, now I put here, for example, like ferrari.jpg, okay. ferrari ferrari.jpg, okay. So I come here, put here ferrari, okay, ferrari, just like this. Then I can come here, I put here now Bugatti is done, Ferrari, like that, okay. So right now let me come here, I add even more data, I add more data, just like this. So it looks like this. Spatial, this one is let me come and take this. I put here, for example, hammer dot jpeg, okay. So I put here hammer, title I put here hammer, okay. And I come here and I put here, for example, jeep, the jeep, jeep. I'm copying them from here. Where they are in the public folder, okay. So I put here, for example, jeep dot jpeg, okay. Then I put here jeep, okay. Then I put here jeep, okay, just like this. So I come here right now. I put like 2. I have here limousine, Mercedes Benz, okay. I put here another thing which is happening is they are crashing, okay. 4, let me put here, like, for example, 5, okay. And I put here, for example, here 6, okay. And I put here right now you can see I'm add the okay. I increase even here, I increase even here, I increase even there, okay. Just like that. So that I'm putting all my data is here, so this one is 7, this one here is 7. So what next is here? Limousine, okay. Limousine.j, limousine, limousine, okay, .jpg, okay. And I put here title is limousine, limousine, okay. So the next one is which one? The next one is Mercedes Benz, okay. Mercedes Benz, The next one is Mercedes Benz. Mercedes Benz. Okay. .jpeg. Okay. .jpeg. So here next one is Mercedes Benz. I can come. I put it here. The title. Here is Spatio. It is Mercedes Benz. Okay. Mercedes Benz. Just like this. Okay. Okay. So it looks like this. So the next one is 8. Next one is 8. Okay. Next one is 8. Next one is 8. Okay. Okay. Same as you can see, it looks like this. It looks like this. Then the last one is Toyota. The last one is Toyota. So Mercedes Benz is there, and the last one is Toyota. Let me come and remove this one. Last one is Toyota. This object. Okay? Okay. Last one is Toyota. Last one is Toyota. So I can come and put here, for example, here, Toyota is 9. Okay? 9. 9. And the last one here is Toyota. Toyota.jpg. Okay? Toyota.jpg. Last one is Toyota. Toyota.jpg. Okay? Okay. Then I come, I put here Toyota. Just like this. Okay? Okay. So I come, I put a comma on all those objects because I know right now they are not standalone. So I put a comma. I come on at the end here, I put a comma. Okay? Separate the objects. And I come, I put a comma at the end of the object here. Comma. Okay? And I come, I put here a comma at the end of the object there. The comma is there. And I come, I put a comma at the end of this object also. A comma there. Okay. And I come at the end of this object and I put also a comma. Okay. A comma there. Okay. So this one is missing a comma here. This one is missing a comma. Okay. It's there. So right now you can see they are coming. They are coming. They are coming. Very well. They are coming. So they are coming. They are coming. They are coming. Okay. They are coming. So as you can see, they are coming very well. As you can see, let's just give them some small time. They are all coming. Okay. Okay. They are there. They are there. Okay. They are here. So you can see, right now you can see all of them. They're here. Apart from Bugatti, Bugatti is not showing up. Bugatti is not showing up. So I don't know what's the problem with the Bugatti here. I don't know what's the problem with the Bugatti. Bugatti.jpg. Yeah, JPEG. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so it's coming. Okay, it's there. So members, you can see this is a very nice application where you can use, which you can use as a hotel. Which you can use as a car website. Okay, which you can use as a car website. So here we have here, for example, the image is here, the title is here, description is here, the price is here. You can use this one as a platform where you put all the cars on one site, just like this. So here we have here Spicio, BMW, Bugatti, and even various prices. Okay. Okay. So members, it looks very good as you can see it here. The prices, it's very good as you can see. So right now, the only thing left is to put some little bit of texture onto these cards here. Okay. Okay. So right now it has fetched all the data from this side and it has brought it here. Okay. Okay. So right now what we need to do, the only left part is to maybe put here. Let me just put here like because here it's using type inference and it's better for us to also put here some bit of types. Okay. Okay. So I come here, I put here like product types, just like this, and I put here the empty array like this. Okay. Okay. So right now, because this one is an array, I also put that this one is an array here. Okay. Okay. So right now the ID is there's some problem with the ID, as you can see it is there. There's some problem with the ID. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to come here, and it's showing the ID. The problem is the ID is here. So there is a problem here with the ID, and I can see property ID does not exist on product types. So product types, where are the product types? They are here. So I come, I put here ID. ID is a string. ID is a string. ID is a string. So it looks like this. So another problem has come up here, where we have here, for example, product property ID does not is missing. Okay, so I put here ID. I can maybe put here ID is equal to single data dot ID, just like this. So these problems here have gone away. As you can see, they have gone away. So here we had a problem here with the ID. We had a problem of the ID, but it has disappeared. So even here, the problem of the key prop, it has also disappeared. So right now, the data here, there is a problem. There is a problem here, and I can see a problem. Yes, they are showing us a number. Number is not assignable to type string. Number is not assignable to type string. So I can see here when I come here in my product types here, it's not supposed to be string, it's supposed to be number. Okay, just like this. So every problem has been solved. Okay, every problem has been solved. Okay, so as you can see, every problem here has been solved. So my site here, which has all the cars, is there, and it's coming from a uniform place, a uniform database, which is my inside database, my inner database, and it's here data.js. Okay. So, members, I hope you have really understood this concept. I hope you have really understood this concept. Okay. So right now, let me come and remove this. This one looks to be good. The types they want to look good, but maybe if I can put some bit of texture on it, on the card, texture on the card. If I can put some bit of texture onto the card, so I can come here. I put some texture onto the card. Okay. So right now, I want to show you something. I can come. I put here maybe like I remove. Let me remove this. Let me come. I remove this blue here. This blue here. Okay. Let me also remove the red. Okay. Let me remove the pink. Okay. The pink. Okay. So I want the image to be in one uniform place. Okay. Let me also remove this one. Okay. So I want to see how the card looks like. So the card is coming. Okay. The card is coming. So it looks like that. Okay. The card is coming and it looks like this in its original form. So here BG, let me put here BG white. Let me put here BG white. BG white. Okay. White. Okay. So maybe let me put here some bit of rounded MD. Okay. Rounded MD. So it's coming. So it looks like this. Okay. Same as the cards look like this. The cards look like this. Okay. So it looks very good on my side. As you can see, it's there. Okay. The Mercedes Benz is there. Everything looks good. Okay. So here the Spacio, the BMW, the Bugatti, the Jeep, the Hammer, the Ferrari, all of them, they are here. So this, you may be changing the prices. Changing the prices is very easy. Just go and change the price for each and every item. But the biggest work is done. The biggest load is done. So maybe I can put here maybe like Hoover. Maybe Hoover. Maybe like Hoover. I can maybe put like a scale. But maybe let me just leave this one. Maybe let me just leave this. But members, the biggest workload is done. You can check the prices, you can check the description, but everything is done. This one is Spacio, this one is BMW, this one is Bugatti, okay? This one is Ferrari, Hammer, Jeep, okay? Limousine, Mercedes Benz, Toyota. So all these ones are coming from my data here. They are coming from my data. As you can see, my data is here. Okay. So members, I want you to practice this concept. This is a concept that is going to guide you even in other products. Okay. If, for example, if you have fridges, if you have televisions, if you have any e-commerce website, any e-commerce products, you use this concept there. Okay. So members, please practice this concept on a daily basis and use it. Okay. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a very good day. We shall meet in tomorrow's video. Okay.